How to log in or create account in Trivago. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log in and create your account on Trivago app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have the Trivago app installed and then you want to log in and maybe sign up or maybe create an account, by default when you open the app you can see it is not asking me to log in or create anything. So for this, what I have to do is I have to tap the settings option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. At the very top of the page I'll be able to find an option called login or create account. You want to make sure to just tap on the option. Now you can choose to create an account with your email address, or you can choose to use your Google, Apple, or your Facebook ID, which is the most convenient option in my own opinion. So in this case I'm just going to select continue with Google account. It might ask you for some other questions, but if not, then you can see you've successfully signed up and log in, and this way you can go ahead and sign up or log in to the Hotel Trivago application. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.